5 tips in cleaning and maintaining your house. While there is no standard pattern for cleaning your house, from our experience as a top cleaning agency, FastKlean will provide you with some valuable tips that will make cleaning easy and more efficient. We understand that cleaning may not be the most enjoyable task, but you can make it easier and ensure that you get it done correctly by following some laid-down steps that our experts and researchers have found effective. As one of the top cleaning agencies in the United Kingdom, we also provide consultation for our audiences. As a result, our platform has become a place where people seek correct information and cleaning tips for home use. With this information, we will equip you with the knowledge to make cleaning easier and get the job done perfectly. There are specific patterns we will recommend to you while cleaning your house. However, we have understood that some of you make some minor mistakes. Therefore, based on our experiences cleaning residential and domestic properties, we have come up with the following tips to aid your cleaning. Also, you can make your home cleaner and get more done in lesser time with the following information. Number 1. Cleaning the whole house. Some people prefer to clean the house one room at a time, completing the full cleaning, which involves sweeping, dusting and mopping a room before moving to the next. We have discussed with people who clean one part of the house and another the other day. But we will advise you not to do it that way. It will be better for you to clean the whole house at once than cleaning one room at a time. And this will involve sweeping the entire house, from the rooms, kitchen, and dining room, and then move to dusting and mopping. Number 2. Gather your cleaning tools in one place. As a cleaning agency, proper storage of our cleaning tools is essential for fast and effective cleaning. And we will advise you to store all your cleaning tools in one place, arranged adequately in your storage room, in a bag or a tote. One advantage of properly storing your cleaning tools is that they will be in good condition and last longer. So you do not need to buy a new set of cleaning tools anytime soon. Also, it is easier to find your tools and get the work done when they have designated storage space. FastKlean workers clean their tools after each use and store them appropriately, which makes it quicker to get them to use for the next day's work. So gather all your cleaning tools in one place today, and become more organized in your cleaning process. Number 3. Dust and vacuum. Before you vacuum, you must dust the house to ensure it is clear of dirt. While wiping the house, put off the fans to ensure dirt does not fly around, and make it easier for you to vacuum. Get a fiber cloth to wipe the chairs, tables, blinds and all surfaces before you use the vacuum cleaner. You should pay attention to places the vacuum cleaner cannot reach to ensure that every nook and cranny in the home is cleaned. We will also advise you to change every clothing, including using clean bed sheets to free the house of settled dust. The entire home will be fresh and full of fresh air when you dust and vacuum following this process. Number 4. Pay attention to the tubs, sink and toilet. The tubs, sink, and toilet are vital areas that you should give adequate attention to. These areas usually take more dirt than other places in the house, and if not adequately cleaned, may lead to an awful smell. Use vinegar or scented ingredients such as lemon while cleaning the sinks and toilet, which will help to remove the smell while cleaning the house. Scrub the kitchen hard, including the microwave, to remove all forms of leftovers on the sink and take away your kitchen trash daily. The toilet is another vital area to clean correctly, and you should do the toilet last. Pour your cleaning agent on the bathroom and leave it for a few minutes before scrubbing and rinsing to remove all forms of dirt. Number 5. Sweep, then mop. Mopping is the last cleaning process. You should do this with water mixed with a cleaning agent. However, before you mop, you should sweep the house to remove every speck of dirt, so you can mop freely. When you have dirt on the floor, you will spread the dirt all over the place when you clean, as you get dirty everywhere. It would be best if you began mopping from the far end of the room towards the doorway to avoid stepping on the